Ever wondered how it feels to soar through the skies, free as a bird, powered by nothing but a pack strapped to your back? Well, that's the dream jetpacks have promised us for decades. This marvel of technology has a fascinating history, one that often feels like it's been ripped straight from the pages of science fiction. Our story begins in the early 20th century. The first mention of a jetpack-like device comes from a 1928 science fiction novel by Philip Francis Nolan. In it, the protagonist uses a device called an anti-gravity belt to fly. This sparked the imaginations of inventors and scientists alike. Fast forward to the 1960s, and the idea of personal flight devices had taken hold in popular culture. But it was not until Bell Aerosystems' creation of the Bell rocket belt that the dream started to become a reality. This device, powered by hydrogen peroxide, could propel a person through the air for a few seconds. Even though the flight time was short, it was a breakthrough. The Bell rocket belt was even featured in the 1965 James Bond film, Thunderball, taking the idea of jetpacks to an even wider audience. In the following decades, advancements in technology gave rise to more sophisticated devices. One such example is the jump belt, developed by Gary Burdett and Alexander Bohr. Unlike the Bell rocket belt, the jump belt used a different propulsion mechanism, allowing for longer flight times. Moving into the 21st century, jetpacks continued to evolve. Companies like Jetpack International started producing wingless jetpacks, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. However, despite these advancements, jetpacks are still not quite ready for everyday use. The limitations of Earth's gravity and atmosphere, combined with the challenges of fuel energy density, mean that flight times remain short. Most jetpacks can only stay airborne for a few minutes at best, but it's not all doom and gloom. Jetpacks have found a practical application in space. Astronauts use them for extravehicular activities where the limitations of Earth's atmosphere and gravity do not apply. So, to summarize, jetpacks have come a long way since their early science fiction beginnings. From the pages of a 1928 novel, through the breakthroughs of the 1960s and the technological advancements of the 21st century, the dream of personal flight has always been at the heart of their evolution. Despite the challenges, the quest to perfect the jetpack continues, with the hope that one day we'll all be able to experience the thrill of personal flight.